Hey guys, welcome back to another video. While I do my brows, I'm gonna hit that intro. I need you guys to do a little something for me. Click that like button. You don't even have to click the like button. Look, just subscribe to my channel, join the family, and follow me on my social media so that we can get to know each other. Alright, let's hop into this video. So I really think that I finally got my puff in the frame. I'm so excited. You have no idea how excited I am about that. I've already done my brows. I've primed my lids. I used Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind to prime my lids. I set it with this Rimmel London Instamatte Fix Plus translucent setting powder just to make it easier when I put the eyeshadow onto my lids. Right now I'm looking for a color. Honor says that I should do green. We're going to see The Incredibles, and so I was thinking that I would do like red, yellow, black, white, you know, for The Incredibles. But now I'm like, would that be too like, that would almost be like dressing up, you know what I mean? Like, who does that? I mean, I used to, never mind. What are we gonna do? I don't know. We're just gonna let the makeup flow. I'm gonna start out by using the ShaylaxColourpop Perception palette, and I'm going to add a lid color, well, not a lid color, I'm gonna add a crease color to my eye. I'm gonna use the color that I always use. I am going to take a little bit of I might mix these two colors, I think, and put that in. I'm either gonna mix these two or mix these two. I'll let you know. And then I'm gonna put that into my crease. I am going to do that using a Morphe M330 brush. I'm mixing Culture and Thick, and I'm putting that into my crease. Right, I'm gonna deepen the crease color using the color Revenge from the ShaylaxColourpop collaboration. I'm gonna deepen the crease using a smaller brush. I'm gonna use the Morphe M431 brush and then blend out that color with the Morphe M562 brush. Okay, I want this look to be really easy because we're running out, just going to go watch a movie with the kids. So I kind of wanted to put, Honor suggested that I put some green. So I'm going to use this color, really. I'm going to use this IE color, and I'm going to lay that all over my lid space using the, what is this, Luxie 245 small shader brush. This brush is everything in life. I can't even tell you guys. The other day I was like, oh my gosh, I've been doing a disservice to Colourpop and to Luxie because I've had their brushes in my drawer for a long time. Like, I've gotten some inside of the Ipsy bag, and I've also gotten some, I got some when I went to Gym Beauty, and this was the first time I decided to use this brush, and this brush laid Colourpop's eyeshadow on my eyes so freaking well. I want to buy like 50 million of them. This is, again, the Luxie 245 small shader brush, and I'm just going to dab into IE with that brush and then just lay that color on my lid space. And if this doesn't look right, we're gonna blame Honor. And you'll notice as I'm putting this eyeshadow on, I'm not dragging the brush against my eye. I'm patting it on because I really want to pack the color, and I want the color to show through as it looks in the palette onto my eye. And if I drag that color, I'm gonna lose some of the color, and I don't want to lose it. So, and it's got this really pretty like flecks of shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see it. So as I pick up the shadow color on the brush, I'm just gonna press it onto my eye, and that really makes it show. And if you wanted to kick up the intensity of the color, you can spray your brush with like, usually I would spray it with the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist, but this is really pretty and I don't want it to be like too like, you know what I mean? So I'm keeping it really simple, and I'm just gonna lay that onto my lid space. That looks really pretty. I feel like I almost look like a watermelon. Another thing that I noticed about this palette is that I'm not getting a whole lot of fallout, and I think that's because I am knocking off the excess powder or the excess eyeshadow that's on my brush. So I kind of tap it off and I'm not getting really much fallout. So keep that in mind too. Like if you're digging into your palette and you find that you're getting a lot of fallout, it's probably because, you know, it could be a number of reasons. Maybe it's the brush that you're using. I like to use brushes that are shaped like this in order to put shadow onto my eye, and with that I don't get a lot of fallout either. And then also it could be because you just have to tap off the excess powder that's on the brush. But I mean, so far out of all of the palettes that I've been using, this is the one that I've been grabbing a lot. So I really think that Shayla and Colourpop did a really good job on this palette. I need a deeper color just in this area right here. I feel like it's just really gonna make my eyes stand out. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Played Out. I'm trying to stick just with this particular palette, and using this M562 brush, I'm gonna put a little bit of Played Out in that corner right there and blend it out. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit more color right up in here in that area right there. So I'm gonna take this Sonia Kashuk blending crease brush, dab into thick, and add a little bit, just for a little bit more color up in this area. You guys know how much I love these Sonia Kashuk brushes. I feel like they are the most amazing brushes. They're so soft. They're just everything in life. And I'm just lightly dabbing into the color and then lightly adding it to my space, and I'm going to use that brush to blend out that color Played Out just a little more. Really pretty. It is really pretty. Okay, so let's pop on some mascara. I'm going to use Toofaced BTS Mascara, and I don't know if I'm going to use lashes. I haven't been using lashes for a while. I've been really just enjoying my regular lashes, so we'll see after we put the mascara on. I don't know, you guys. I think I'm going to stick with my regular lashes today. I've been enjoying them. I don't know, like I think like you just get into moods where you're just like, I'm cool without it, you know what I mean? And I'm in one of those moods where lashes for like the past 2 weeks I haven't really been wearing them. And because it's summertime, I've been keeping my face really simple. I think I'm like almost finished with my eyes. I'm going to put some concealer under my eyes so that I look awake, because I do not want to scare John's family with me looking nearly dead. So I'm just going to drag some of this under here and then use a wet beauty blender to blend out the concealer. And don't be afraid to like squeeze that blender to really get up into the crevice. I feel like I'm missing a ton of my makeup. Like my makeup has been disappearing little bit by little bit, and I can't even blame my sister or my mom because they haven't been here. So it's like where is my makeup going? It has to be Honor taking it. Never mind. Alright, so I'm gonna take this MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm going to set underneath my eyes. Remember how we set underneath our eyes if you want or how we use powders. Remember how we use powders at all. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to try to put it up in here for you guys. And now I'm going to use my concealer brush and dust off the excess powder that's on my face. I didn't even use the blue. Like, wouldn't it be really pretty to add just a little bit of blue? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this, and I just feel like I want to add some blue up in there. So I'm just going to see what happens if I just kind of swipe my eyelid with the blue. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it, and it looks really pretty. Maybe I'll put this blue at the bottom. Okay, let's try it. And a little bit of revenge into that to blend it all out. All we need right now is blush, and then set in our face. And for blush, I'm going to be using e.l.f. I think this is Always Spicy. Yeah, this is Always Spicy. I'm going to use my powder puff and apply the brush. I keep saying brush. The blush to my cheeks. you know what, I like to put it up on my forehead just to, or the sides of my face just a little bit. Let me stop because I'm going like powder overboard. And I'm gonna take my powder brush now and dust off the excess and move that powder where I want it to be. See, look at that. It looks all crazy, but it won't when we're finished. Remember how that other video we were talking about how brushes are used to remove powders? So that's what I'm doing now, fixing up that little snafu right there. I'm gonna take my, there it is. That's for you, Kyle. All right, now that I'm done, I'm gonna set my face, add some lips, and we're all finished. Alright guys, that's how I got this super simple, easy, quick look. You can wear this literally anywhere, maybe not with the big giant earrings, but I'm going to hang out and we're going to have a good time with our family. I will let you guys know on Twitter how Incredibles is because everybody's so psyched to see it. I can't wait to go see it myself. So let me get out of here before we're late and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure that if you have not liked this video, that you hit that like button. If you give me a thumbs down, that's okay because a thumbs down is just a thumbs up upside down. And make sure you subscribe, y'all, because it's the right thing to do. I don't even have time to say cut me out because I gotta go. So, I'ma cut me out.